how to change the Buy It Now button on Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can alter the Buy It Now button on your product pages on Shopify. So as you guys can see, let's open up a product page. We have a add to cart button and then we have a Buy It Now button. But for some products and for some people, they might want to present this in a different way. So if you're looking to make this a bit more interesting for your audience, and if you just want to change the Buy It Now button, I'll show you guys how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys the customization you can make with Shopify's store editor. And then I'm going to show you guys what we are going to do. So if you go ahead and click on customize on Shopify and you open up any product, so I'll just open up this product page. You guys will see you have the buy buttons over here. In your buy buttons, you only have two options. You can either show dynamic checkouts or you can show recipient information or gift cards. That's around it. There is no other type of customization that can be done. So I want to change my Buy It Now button to say maybe purchase now or to say get it now. So that might be, what we're trying to do. To do that, all we have to do is edit some code in Shopify. Now, don't worry, this code edit is really simple, it's really easy, and you just have to copy and paste it. It's nothing difficult at all. Firstly, you're going to log on to your Shopify store. Once you've logged on to Shopify, you're going to click on Online Store on the left. Once you click on your online store on the left, you're going to click on these three dots. Now, for some people, they are very afraid of altering the code on their Shopify store. And if you're one of those people, click on duplicate over here. When you click on duplicate, it creates a duplicated version of the current Shopify store that you have within your theme library. And if you ever feel like you messed up your Shopify store or you don't like the changes you made, then you can go back into your theme library. And in your theme library, you can just republish the copied version. However, we're going to move forward towards actually changing our Buy It Now button. So now you're going to click on these three dots and you're going to click on Edit Code over here. Once you click on Edit Code, you are going to search for theme.liquid. Now, you can just search for theme.liquid on the top left bar and it's going to show up like so. Open this up, and if you don't want to search for it, if you directly open up your code editor and you see the layout folder, in your layout folder you're going to find theme.liquid, but I just find it easier to type in theme.liquid. Now, once you've opened up the theme.liquid file, you will see there is a lot of code in this. So to edit or alter our code, what we're going to do is that we're going to open theme.liquid and we're going to press Command F. And once you search for Command F, you're going to type in /head. So once you type in /head, it will highlight this code. And I'm just going to zoom in so you guys can see. This is the code that you're looking for. It's a / and then it says head. So the next step that you're going to do is you're going to place your cursor behind /head and press return. So this just creates some empty space above the /head. Make sure you keep this in mind. You have to make space above /head. This is the biggest mistake people are making. They type in the new code below the /head and that does not make it work. So you have to paste it in above /head. Simply type in /head and you're going to check out the description box down below. In the description box down below, I have this code linked, so you can copy this code from there. This is available on Pastebin. It's just called the Change Buy It Now text. So you're just going to copy this over here, and then you're going to open up your code editor and then paste it above /head. Now, once you do that, you will see your new code is pasted. Click on Save on the top right, and then you can click on Preview Store to see whether or not your code is effective. So you guys can see Now our code says hit that like button and make sure to do so as well. But you want to change this to say something else. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to go back into your code editor. So in your Shopify code editor where you pasted in your new code, you will see within your new code this section called content, this particular line where it says content. In content, you have these red apostrophes and you have the content within the red apostrophes. So type in the text that you want to display within your Buy It Now button. For example, I wanted to say purchase now, and then I can click on save on the top right. Once I've clicked on save on the top right, I will preview my store once more and let's open the product up. And now instead of buy it now, it says purchase now. And you can really make this your own. You can make it super creative and you can reflect a lot of your brand element with these little changes within your Shopify store. So, for something like a makeup brand that I have created as a sample, we can write something like wear it now, or get the look now, or tint it now, whatever suits your boat. So, whatever floats your boat, you can go with that. This is a really simple edit, and now you can click on exit, and that is all you have to do. This will be applied throughout all of the product. So let's say I have this other product, you will see it says purchase now as well. If I open up any of my products, it's going to display the purchase now button. It's not going to display the old button where it said buy it now. And in this simple way, you can change your buy it now button. If you want to learn more about Shopify, Shopify code, and how you can make some simple changes to upgrade your store, I have quite a few different videos on Shopify where I teach you guys how you can add your own GIF backgrounds, where you can also learn how to alter your headers and so much more. And as a quick tip, if you go into your online store on the left and you go into edit your code, you can paste in a simple code to add custom liquid if that is not available to you. So I have a complete video on that. Check that out if you want. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, queries, anything that you would like to know about Shopify, about any other software tool that you are using, whether it's a e-com tool or whether it's a CRM project manager, anything that you need help with, make sure to leave that in the comment box down below as well. I would love to know what you guys have to say, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day ahead.